Welcome back to Automotive Insights, your go-to source for the latest car updates, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into Volkswagen's latest SUV, the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron. This all-new model is packed with modern design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. Let's break it all down. The Volkswagen Tayron has been a popular model in China, but now, Volkswagen is expanding its reach, bringing the new 2025 Tayron to a global audience. It's set to replace the Tiguan Allspace, offering a more premium feel with a bold new design and cutting-edge features. From the outside, the 2025 Tayron sports a more aggressive look, aligning with VW's latest design language. The front grille is sleek and wide, integrating seamlessly with the full-width LED headlights. The body lines are sharper, giving the SUV a sportier stance. And let's talk about size. The new Tayron is slightly larger than the outgoing Tiguan Allspace, meaning more space for passengers and cargo. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the strong shoulder lines, sculpted panels, and stylish alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim level. The rear gets a modern LED taillight design, a sportier bumper, and an overall premium look. Volkswagen has clearly designed the Tayron to stand out in the competitive SUV market. Inside, Volkswagen has stepped up its game with a tech-forward and premium cabin. The first thing you'll notice is the massive digital cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen running Volkswagen's latest software. The interface is clean, responsive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation and voice controls. The climate control system now features haptic touch buttons, and VW has improved the overall material quality with soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof to enhance the premium feel. The seats are comfortable and supportive, available in both leather and sustainable material options. The second row offers generous legroom, and there's an optional third-row seating configuration, making it a great family SUV. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Tayron will be offered with multiple powertrain options, including a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 201 or 261 horsepower depending on the variant. A plug-in hybrid version featuring a 1.5-liter turbo engine combined with an electric motor delivering over 270 horsepower and an electric-only range of about 60 kilometers. All models come with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, and higher trims get Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and stability. In terms of driving experience, Volkswagen has tuned the suspension for a balance of comfort and sporty handling. The Tayron offers multiple drive modes, including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road, allowing drivers to customize their ride. The plug-in hybrid variant also provides regenerative braking, helping improve efficiency and battery performance. These features ensure that the Tayron meets the highest safety standards, making it a reliable choice for families and daily commuters alike. As for pricing, while Volkswagen hasn't revealed official numbers yet, industry experts estimate the starting price to be around $38,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid variants going above $50,000. Given its features, this pricing makes it a strong competitor against SUVs like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Hyundai Tucson. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron the perfect SUV for you? If you're looking for a stylish, tech-loaded, and practical SUV with strong performance options, this one is definitely worth considering. Volkswagen is making a bold move with the Tayron, and it looks like it's going to be a serious player in the SUV market. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron. What do you think of this new SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Automotive Insight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.